sponsored mission.
Okay, do the beginning again and listen. Do you like that sound? Yeah. And they're doing a good job of showing you exactly what you're giving them. How do you get a legato sound?
Not so much kick on the.
I know, but what's causing the kick?
The velocity of the.
Yes, good. Legato equals continuous speed. Anything that is not legato means you're going to be moving faster and then slower at some point.
Oh.
Okay, so that's one thing to work on. Also, your breath is saying, I want an accent, because you're going, yep,
Sure.
bam. You can work on having that kind of a breath means accent the note. So work on having maybe more of a less noticeable, gentle breath, okay? And then I had that, oh, and then you have a couple of, like going weird directions,
Okay.
like, it just looked a little weird, so maybe watch and see if it looks natural.
Okay.
When you started off, and I don't know that it stayed that way, but at least when you started off, you were a little low to me. The breath doesn't have to be audible. It can be audible, but it doesn't have to be audible. If you couple the breath with a proper motion for the style that you want, they can read what kind of breath you're giving without having the sound. You can tell a difference if I pair the motion between and, like, which that was a little audible, but I can still make the face and show the breath without giving an audible cue. And it's natural for sound to occur, but you don't want it to be so much that it's distracting. Your index finger wants to extend down a little bit, so just keep an eye on that. And towards the end, when you conducted again after you were done, it looked a lot better, but towards the end you were a little flat with the baton not breaking as much as it should. And then that last fermata, I mean, it was just point, like it didn't break at all. So just make sure that this is consistent as far as how much it's breaking.